glued on and use just a little teeny bit. And then fill the rest up.
Fill back here with vinegar.
And then the rest with a little bit of water.
Watch what happens.
This will take care of it. Did you see that fall off?
Oh my God.
I hope it just snaps on. I hope. It's never happened to me before.
Shh, don't tell husband.
It works. Let's get back to a groove. Forget Stella got a groove, Calamity found a groove. It's not broke. Oh!
Oh my God.
I turned it on, did you see that? Boy. Okay. Let me get us some towels. Yeah, don't tell husband that one either, because he kind of is a little bit of a stress case at times.
And that would make him a stress case. So don't tell him.
Yeah, I'll just keep him from reading the comments. By the way, thank you for hitting that like button. I sure do appreciate that. And in case you didn't know, I am open to subscribers. Well, see why I'm named Calamity Girl? Happens. I have to get the water out of there so that the propane can come up and then it will be okay. If I were you, I would stand back. You never know what will happen with me. No, Gracie. See, she's gonna pout this whole time. Oh! Did you see that? My grate came out, so I'll just wipe it off like this and then put it in. And you will see that it gets cleaned off. And okay.